This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data entry software. We'll start by understanding what data entry software is and why it's so crucial for modern businesses. This type of software is designed to streamline the process of inputting, updating, and managing various types of information. It helps reduce human error by a significant margin, often by as much as 70%, and can save countless hours of manual work. You'll learn about its core functions and how it can benefit your daily operations. Now, let's get your workspace ready for efficient data entry. First, you'll typically log in using your unique username and a strong password to ensure security. Once inside, take a moment to customize your interface. Many programs allow you to arrange fields and views to suit your specific tasks, potentially boosting your speed by 25%. Finally, ensure all your physical and digital source documents are neatly organized and easily accessible, ready for input. With your workspace set, it's time to perform the actual data entry. When entering new records, carefully input information into each field, paying close attention to detail. For existing data, simply locate the record using search functions and make any necessary updates or corrections. Many software solutions offer built-in validation tools, like requiring specific formats or ranges, which can catch up to 90% of common input errors before they become issues. Always double-check your work. To maximize your efficiency, explore the advanced features of your data entry software. Many programs offer automation for repetitive tasks, such as auto-filling common fields, which can cut entry time by 1/3. You can also generate insightful reports to analyze trends or track progress, transforming raw data into actionable information. Remember to always follow best practices like using strong, unique passwords and performing regular data backups, perhaps weekly, to protect your valuable information from loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.